Some people look emotionally stable not because they feel deeply connected inside, but because they learn how to appear okay. Sometimes stability is not peace, it is performance. In the previous episode, we explored the need to stay emotionally acceptable, how the emotional self hides certain feelings, certain needs, certain truths in order to remain accepted. But after years of emotional self editing, another survival identity can form. The person who looks fine even when they feel disconnected inside. Sometimes the emotional self learns do not show confusion, do not show sadness, do not show emotional collapse. Stay composed, stay manageable, stay normal. And slowly, emotional stability becomes something performed instead of something truly felt. This is why some people can function beautifully while feeling emotionally absent, can smile while feeling disconnected, can support others while feeling unseen themselves, can appear calm while carrying emotional numbness inside, because survival taught them that appearing okay was safer than being emotionally honest. And perhaps one of the loneliest forms of emotional survival is being seen as strong, stable, capable, and fine, while no one really knows how far away you feel from yourself. This is not weakness, it is adaptation. It is the emotional self learning to stay acceptable by hiding inner disconnection. But healing begins when the emotional self no longer has to pretend to be okay in order to be loved. Healing is not falling apart and it is not losing control. It is learning to become honest with yourself again, to notice when you are smiling but disconnected, when you are functioning but exhausted, when you are calm outside but emotionally absent inside, because awareness is where reconnection begins. And perhaps one of the deepest healing moments is realizing you do not have to perform stability when your emotional self is asking for presence, because real healing is not appearing okay. It is slowly returning to the self that learned to disappear behind being fine. In the next episode, we will explore how the emotional self learns to measure worth through performance, achievement, and external validation.